time for our phonics poem of the week. Today's poem is all about I, and the title of the poem is The Magpie's Ties. A shiny magpie flew through the sky and wore a new tie each day as he'd fly. On Monday he wore a fried egg tie with a bright yolk shining high. On Tuesday he chose a pie-covered tie with rows of sweet pies stacked high. On Wednesday he wore a tie with flies, buzzing and zooming before your eyes. On Thursday he picked a stripy tie, blue and white like the wide bright sky. On Friday, a shiny silver tie that glittered as he glided by. On Saturday, he wore a smiley tie with happy faces blinking an eye. On Sunday he chose a smart bow tie, then hung them up with a happy sigh. Seven smart ties, oh my, what a stylish little magpie. How many times can you find I in today's poem? You can pause the video now to see how many you can find. I found 15 I in this poem. Did you find them all? If you liked this poem, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye for now.